What is up, guys? Today I'm at Aston Martin Newport Beach and I have something super special. So that is an Aston Martin DB5 Junior. And to give you reference for how small it is, here's an Aston Martin Vantage and here is the DB5 Junior. This has Aston Martin paint, this has real headlights, real chrome bumpers. You even get real blinkers and real trunk space. And if I open the hood, you get a battery? That's because this is fully electric. It can do up to 20 miles on a charge, makes 7 horsepower, and has a top speed of 30 miles an hour, which is also why you get things like real tires and real disc brakes. The inside is gorgeous. I have Aston Martin quality leather here, more on my seats. I have a 3-spoke wood grain steering wheel. My light switches are right down here. I have all of my gauges. I have a drive mode selector, my ignition, a wraparound windscreen, but my favorite part are the tiny mirrors, and you can fit 2 people.
Bro, move.
Kinda. So this was made by the Little Car Company, and the price for this one as is $99,000. You thought it was cheap?